Hello creative people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zenaida and this is Fashion with Zenai, a place to inspire fashion lovers to share my love for fashion and DIY projects. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a poison ivy carnival party costume. So let's jump right into the tutorial. As it is the Carnival February month in certain countries, I wanted to create a carnival costume for a party where I'm going in Cape Verde Islands. I was inspired by Pamela Isley's costume as Poison Ivy on the movie Batman and Robin, so I decided to put my own twist into it and create a Poison Ivy costume. To create the costume, you will need these following tools. You can find all these materials in the description box down below. The fabric that I'm going to use is a sequin stretchy fabric and a little bit of tulle fabric. I'm going to use a long boots to make the covers. To create the top, I used a bra. I had used this green bra before, that's why I won't go into any details in this video on how to attach the sequin fabric to the bra. What I actually did is I traced the cup, side strap and shoulder strap. I cut out 2 cups on the fabric and I glued all the parts to the bra. I'm going to use high-waisted shorts for the bottom. I had also made and used these high-waisted shorts before. All I'm going to do in this video is attach the leaves to the shorts. These are my measurements that I'm going to use. For this tutorial, I'm only going to create the boots pattern. You will need a pattern paper. Place the boots on the pattern paper. Trace the boots with a pencil and then you're going to cut out the pieces. I created 3 pattern pieces. For each pattern piece, you're going to place the pattern pieces on the fabric. Place the pattern pieces on the fabric, cut each piece twice, and add seam allowance to each pattern piece. Try to add extra seam allowance for the sole of the foot piece and heels, because later on you will need extra fabric on the bottom of the shoes to glue it to the sole. Then you're going to start sewing the boots cover. Sew the center foot edge with 1 cm seam. Cut some slides around the curvy edge. This makes it look flat once you invert it. Flip it open and connect the upper edge to the bottom edge of the upper cover piece. This is the bottom edge of the upper piece. Flip it open and place the foot piece on top of the upper piece. Pin the edge and sew it with 1 cm seam. Then you're going to pin and sew the center back edge with 1 cm seam. Turn the boots cover inside out. Now you're going to determine the center back and the inner corners of the heels. First, I'm going to insert the boots in the cover so I can determine the inner corners of the heels before I connect the heels to the foot part. This is the center back. Now I'm going to determine the inner corners of the heels. I'm going to mark it with a pin. Remove the cover of the boots so you can connect the heels edge with the bottom edge of the foot part. Pin the edge and sew it with 2 cm seam. I will sew the inside of the heel by hand with a needle and thread. Place the inside edges over each other and sew it by hand. And you repeat the same steps for the other shoe foot cover. It is totally optional to sew the upper edge of the boots with 1 centimeter by double folding it. And then you're going to glue the sole to the boots and glue the leaves to the outfit. First, you're going to glue the bottom edge of the foot and heel to the sole of the boots. The reason why I chose to glue it on the sole is so I can remove the cover from the boots easily after I ruin the outfit. Now you're going to attach the leaves to the boots. Attach the leaves to the bra. Here you can be creative and attach the leaves in your own way and style. I'm going to attach the leaves fully to one cup, and the other cup I will only attach a few leaves. To the shoulder strap, I only going to attach the leaves on one side. This is how the leaves will look like on the bra. For the shorts, I'm going to attach some leaves to the front and back. I'm going to create a strip with a width of 3 centimeters. Fold the strip at the fold line and sew it with 1 centimeter seam. I didn't sew the ends of the strip, but it's optional. You can decide to sew the ends, but keep in mind that you have to leave an open space at the center of the strip so you can turn it inside out. Since I left the ends open, I'm going to turn it inside out with the bobby pin, or you can use something else. I'm going to attach a few leaves to the strip, and this is how it will look like. I'm going to use this in a creative way over my neck to my belly and from my belly to one of my legs. Lastly, I'm going to attach a few leaves to the tulle fabric. And these are the finished outfit parts. For a complete look, I'm going to add a red wig and some leaves on the wig. The outfit looks so cool. I love how fashionable this Poison Ivy Carnival party costume turned out. I really hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial so you can create your own carnival party costume. If you create one, I would love to see a photo of your creation. You can send me an email or tag me on Instagram by using the hashtag ZenIDesigns. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and hit the notification bell. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.